agreement. It's
Yes,
not
sir.
a professional affair.
They used to meet for 3 times a week. That comes out
I
to
know that.
Okay.
I don't want the details of the meeting either.
Yes.
I would like the details, please.
There are, what I'm trying to stress on the fact that there are 4 more days in the week where my client used to satisfy her. So there is no reason.
But he is sterile to begin with. That is the first problem.
Sterile.
But maybe she did not want satisfaction from her own
What
husband.
he's saying is that the point is that she was getting satisfaction, so she didn't need to go there.
Exactly.
Can you prove that she was being satisfied?
So she was, there's no issue.
She told you anyway.
Why wasn't?
I don't buy that. What if it was just a case of fraud on your client's side to get this guy to try and get a deal done and then take pills and say that you didn't do your job well?
So I
It's a
don't.
possibility, right?
Why wasn't?
Are you saying there's no possibility?
There are possibilities, but the issue at the hand is that my client has been cheated for
You
1
should
lakh.
have taken it in hand actually between you.
So the issue is simply that he wants his 1 lakh rupees back. He has no other issues concerning the trust of his wife. He has the trust of his wife. So we are not raising any issues regarding to that.
I am questioning the trust of the wife. Defend, yeah. Would you like to say something, sir?
Please.
1 minute left.
जज साहब मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आया ये अंग्रेजी में बोले जा रहे हैं मैं स्ट्रगलिंग लॉयर है मुझे अंग्रेजी थोड़ी कम आती है तो मैं हिंदी में बोलना चाहूँगा अगर आपकी इजाज़त है।
प्लीज बोलिए, बिल्कुल हिंदी बोलिए।
योर ऑनर, इस केस में मेरे क्लाइंट ने कभी भी ये प्रॉमिस नहीं किया था, ये गारंटी नहीं दी थी कि कंसेप्शन बच्चा पैदा होगा ही, सिर्फ बोला था कि मैं कोशिश करूंगा और कोशिश उसने की 72 बार उसने कोशिश की।
बट अगर वो स्टेराइल है तो वो कोशिश करने को कोई फायदा ही नहीं है।
The idea is you must try until you finally get it.
बट अगर वो स्टेराइल है तो कोशिश करने का कोई फायदा ही नहीं है।
वो ये स्टेराइल है, उसको पता नहीं था।
वो प्रूव कर सकते हैं कि उनका क्लाइंट स्टेराइल था, कोई प्रूव कर सकता है, कैसे पता चला?
मैं प्रूव कर सकता हूँ।
बताइए।
इसके लिए I will need your permission to call the doctor.
Please, I call the doctor right now.
Doctor, get here now. We said the doctor, not the patient.
This is the doctor who had examined my respondent and he has given the decision that he is a sterile person. Now doctor, tell me one thing. Does it really take 72 times to know that you are sterile?
No, it doesn't take 72 times. Actually, any man can know how many tries it takes to prove that you are sterile or not.
There you go.
How many times does?
How many times does it
इतना
take?
time लगता है
But
किसी को realize करने के लिए?
72 times, your lordship.
72 times is the outer limit.
Yeah.
How many times is it the frequency?
You
would you
should do
find
within the
out?
first month itself.
The first day,
The first month itself.
the first month.
Yeah.
Within the first month, you should be able to impregnate.
Yeah.
That is why we have such a great population of this country. Is that what you say?
Maybe.
Did anybody check whether he was wearing a condom? Probably he was.
No, but tell me, is it possible? You are a doctor of?
Sexologist.
Yes, very good. That's a relief actually.
The doctor of sterilization.
Okay. Is it possible that the lady in question was using certain pills to make sure that she did not get pregnant? Is it possible?
There's a possibility.
How do you rule out that possibility?
But he has given the fact that he's a sterile person.
But what if she did not know that he's sterile and she's still thinking that he is fertile? He is not sterile, and she's taking pills. She's taking
But it is a
pills.
given fact that the person in question is sterile. Both the people are sterile.
We are not. We are.
But the lady did not know.
No.
So she
Only
could be taking
blindly.
pills, not knowing that he is sterile. She could have been taking pills thinking that he
Yeah.
may be virile. What is the opposite of sterile?
Fertile.
Fertile. So
Yeah.
he is also fertile. So she doesn't know the fact that he is sterile, but she's taking pills thinking that he's fertile.
Agreed, Judge Saab.
Yeah.
But this is not the issue over here. We are not talking about my client.
I object, Your Honor.
We are not talking about my client's wife. The issue is I am suing your client for 1 lakh rupees, and he has not done his job. 6 months he tried, and there's no baby.
Was there
Can your client get 1 lakh and try for another 72 times?
Absolutely, my client is ready for another 6 months. He doesn't have
he
any
is
other job.
sterile. I think you should know that fact. He can go do it till kingdom come. Nothing's going to happen. My point of the matter is that was there anything in that contract that said that he is obligated to make her pregnant?
बिल्कुल नहीं,
नहीं था,
नहीं
उसमें
था।
कुछ नहीं था कि
था ही नहीं।
6 महीने के बाद वो प्रेग्नेंट नहीं हुई तो हम पैसे वापस देंगे, ऐसा कोई क्लॉज था?
ऐसा कोई क्लॉज नहीं
तो फिर प्रॉब्लम क्या है सर?
terms of इसमें fraud है.
Fraud.
If he knows that he is not,
How do you know that he knows that he was sterile? उसने कोई sterility test किया
डॉक्टर
था?
साहब ने बोला
Yes.
आपने कभी चेक किया कि वो sterile है?
When he came to me after 6 months.
After 6 months, उसके पहले शायद उनको खुद को पता नहीं था.
But does it take 72 times to know that?
No, it doesn't.
It doesn't need a
But he doesn't have a medical opinion of his own. उनको खुद को पता नहीं है. Maybe my child came after 12 months of marriage.
Daman, don't
Well, I
worry,
sterile for about 12 months and then I became fertile. ऐसा नहीं है. It is not his medical opinion. Client के पास medical opinion नहीं है कि मतलब 72 times के बाद अगर नहीं हुआ तो मैं sterile हूँ. वो कोशिश करते ही रहेगा.
So, but the doctor is saying कि एक
But the doctor is saying after 6 months.
that after 6 months he came to know medically speaking.
No,
But the
what
doctor
is it?
6
In
months.
1 month, you would come to know that the
Yes,
man is
That's a
sterile.
medical opinion. The client does not have a medical
So I
opinion.
think in 1 month, one should have gone and checked. कि या तो or wife or the girl or the male, you have to go.
Why didn't your client check on him? कि अगर नहीं हो रहा है 1 महीने के बाद तो check कर लो, you may be sterile. He should have brought it to your notice.
पहली बात ये लोग तो गलत डॉक्टर के पास ही गए हैं।
गलत डॉक्टर कैसे हुए? How
गलत डॉक्टर
because ये तो है
क्योंकि सबसे पहले अगर बच्चा नहीं हो रहा है तो हो सकता है कुछ औरत के साथ भी तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है।
ये point के बारे में कुछ बताएंगे।
Gynecologist के पास कभी गए नहीं है।
What if the woman is sterile or infertile?
Exactly।
हो सकता है.
वो check क्यों नहीं किया? आपको डॉक्टर
बात तो चेक तो नहीं की।
Point of
आप मेरे
reference,
सीना
अगर
काम
respondent है sterile तो भी वो पैसे ले लिए और चला गया. मुझे मेरे पैसे वापस चाहिए क्लाइंट के.
Excuse me, sir.
अब मुझे फिर मेरे client को फिर बच्चा चाहिए।
जी बोलिए. Why didn't you get your doctor to check on the woman also? Why didn't you get your doctor to check on the woman? आपने औरत को चेक किया? नहीं किया. Thank you very much.
So this
उन्होंने बहुत रिक्वेस्ट किया चेक करने को, करने नहीं दिया.
there's nowhere in the statement of facts mentioned that the client's wife has any problem conceiving a child
How do you know that?
because
But he has not checked that lady. आपने चेक किया था? उन्होंने मना किया. Why are you saying it? आपने मना किया. आपने वो औरत को चेक किया ही नहीं था. How do you know that she's fertile or infertile?
the possibility of bringing up birth control pills only arises when the
I'm not. अभी birth control pills की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. मैं आपको ये पूछ रहा हूँ कि the lady is she fertile or infertile? वो तो हमें पता ही नहीं. What if she is infertile?
exactly the possibility.
You have said exactly means you
I
are.
want to answer your question, sir. The possibility of everybody bringing up the issue of birth control pills is gives the fact
I am
that
not talking about birth control pills anymore. I am asking you if this lady is fertile or infertile. Then there's no point in telling the client. I mean the person.
statement-
Why didn't he go for artificial fertilization?
I will
Why
come to that.
did not he do that?
my client
I think your clients are sick in the head, if you ask me.
My client simply wanted a natural way of birth as opposed to the artificial methods. In fact, my client has set a benchmark in open-mindedness, allowing his neighbor to come over and get the job done.
जज साहब ये बेंचमार्क था।
ये
He
क्या?
trusts his wife. He trusts his wife
That she
so
will,
much as to
that she
voluntarily.
will sleep 72 times.
He trusts his wife so much as to get voluntarily impregnated by some other man.
I think it's a sick concept. Would you allow your wife to sleep 72 times with somebody else? No.
That
I
is,
think it's
that
a
is
sick.
because I am
To
not
begin
married,
with,
so-
the concept in its whole approach is a little deviant, if you ask me.
योर ऑनर, इनको डिवोर्स की तरफ फाइल करना चाहिए था और ये आगे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के लिए।
Where does the question of divorce come into this?
पहली बात तो इनकी
Your client is being sued for not
client
doing
के
his
wife
job.
ने,
Why are they getting divorced? You are not.
इनके क्लाइंट के वाइफ ने अगर देखा जाए तो बेवफाई की।
There's no. There's no bevafai involved. It is with the husband's consent. There's nothing to do with divorce over here. Are we talking about divorce in this case?
Not at all.
No.
This is not
We're
divorce.
talking divorce. He's claiming a lack of rupees for your client not to do a job. He's not done his job. He's sterile himself. We are saying, and I'm saying that the lady herself could be sterile. We are trying to make an argument over here to find out who's in wrong. There's no question of divorce.
The respondent is simply deviating the case by bringing up matters of divorce, sir. He just
That's
doesn't
what
want
I
to.
said. Don't use my words, sir, please.
योर ऑनर, हम मेरे क्लाइंट के ऊपर जो इल्जाम लगाए हुए हैं वो बिल्कुल बेबुनियाद हैं। सबसे पहली बात वो कहते हैं कि ये फ्रॉड है। फ्रॉड के लिए एक फैक्ट होना बहुत जरूरी है कि कंसीलमेंट ऑफ फैक्ट होना चाहिए, कोई फैक्ट को दबाना चाहिए तो उसको बोलते हैं फ्रॉड। यहां पर मेरे क्लाइंट को खुद ही नहीं पता था कि वो स्टेराइल है।
हम कैसे माने?
अब जब उनको खुद ही नहीं पता है तो वो कैसे उस फैक्ट को दबा सकते हैं और अपने एडवांटेज के लिए?
आपने कह दिया और हम मान लिए उनको नहीं पता है।
तो क्लाइंट को बुला के पूछ लीजिए, डिड ही गो एनीवेयर टू चेक वेदर ही इज infertile himself, or
before those 6
did he know? How do we know that he knew or did not know?
Your Honor, उसके इस फैक्ट्स ऑफ द केस के हिसाब से उसके 2 बच्चे थे।
क्लाइंट के 2 बच्चे?
क्लाइंट के 2 बच्चे थे, रिस्पोंडेंट के।
रिस्पोंडेंट के?
ये वो उसके नहीं थे, उसके सबसे एंड में पता चलता है।
अच्छा, तो ये
That's it. That means he's not sterile.
is not sterile. It is proved उनके 2 बच्चे। प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
He is sterile, sir.
How do you know that?
Because at the end the respondent's wife claims that वो 2 बच्चे वो respondent के नहीं है।
वो 2 बच्चे उसके नहीं है?
नहीं,
वो किसी और के?
हाँ, वो वाइफ ने।
मेरे ख्याल से सबको मिलकर उस वाइफ को सू कर देना चाहिए।
So basically, there's a so exactly that means that the respondent did not know that he's sterile. He thinks he is fertile. He has had 2 children of his own. उसको खुद को मालूम नहीं, the lady has deceived him.
हम कैसे
His wife has
हम
deceived
कैसे
him.
विश्वास कर ले कि इसको खुद को मालूम नहीं था?
आप मत विश्वास कीजिए, जज साहब मानते हैं मेरे
But I
बात
need
को।
facts. Vishwas is no. I need facts. Will you please present the facts to find out whether client is sterile or not? Yeah. Is anything conclusive over here? Doctor साहब, आपने client की को check किया था आपने?
Yeah, after 6 months.
After
Before
6
that.
months. Too bad.
क्या करें अभी? Okay. What is your judgment? What do you say?
I think in concept.
I think 25% डिस्काउंट में फिर एक बार ट्राई करना चाहिए।
I feel conceptually ये गलत है that a man sends his wife to another man who he may be sterile or not sterile, and his wife is cheating on somebody else and the 2 children are not. It's a very complicated case. I just say that if everybody had fun doing what they did, 1 lakh rupees should be just forgotten and go ahead with life, and please make sure you make your own babies or use some other method. Please, thank you very much.
The court is now adjourned.
Wonderful, thank you very much. You all will make great lawyers. Where is that woman? I want to see that woman.
But this was a live German case, sir.
Okay, it was a real case.
Yes, it's an international case. We tried to fit it into the business jurisdiction done for this case.
So what is the actual So nothing came of this case?
Really? What
What happened?
What was the final judgment of the case?
क्या हुआ क्या आखिर में?
अजी सब बैठ जाइए।
बैठ जाइए, क्या हुआ क्या आखिर में?
The defendants, he himself didn't know whether he was sterile or not. He didn't know. So it was an honest mistake. It was a very honest mistake. So obviously he couldn't get his money back.
Correct.
So if he couldn't get his money back, so he had to withdraw the case.
It's a German couple case.
I think it's a very interesting case.
That's true, because he did not have a guilty mind. He tried his level best. He did not know that he was sterile.
And he did not know that after 72 times it doesn't happen that he has a problem.
Exactly.
Some people try for years, yeah.
But legally speaking, we cannot imply this case in our system.
After how many years did you get your first child?
30 seconds, baby.
You are fertile.
Why don't we have
Because this contract of getting impregnated, this is void, because this is an immoral adultery. There's an adultery involved, because this is an immoral thing. So this contract cannot be fought for.
we cannot. This cannot be fought.
Yes, not in India at least.
Doesn't fall under the purview of binding contract act.
Yes.
I think that was a compelling case.
What are the things that are जो एक lawyer को जैसे मैंने सुना कि एक क्रेडिट कार्ड अलाउड नहीं है और लोन्स अलाउड नहीं है. What are the other things? क्या है? और मैं जा रहा हूँ कल मैं दिल्ली जा रहा हूँ जस्टिस से मिलने के लिए, चीफ जस्टिस से, and I will put this forward. And I'm not joking.
ऐसा नहीं है कि lawyers को loans नहीं मिलते, lawyer credit card नहीं मिलते.
और क्या चीज़ नहीं मिलती?
Biggest disadvantage.
But क्यों? Why is it so? It is a disadvantage, we know. But why?
What are the things? एक credit card loan और क्या है?
दूसरा कि they are not allowed to advertise. It works as a disadvantage.
So that is fine. That all
I have an argument against that. I mean, doctors cannot advertise that I'll deliver a Bonnie or baby than the other doctor, you know.
Obviously, the doctors are
but right now they're
Outsourcing testimony,
promoting
but
all that.
Every day in papers you find as far as surrogacy is concerned. They promise the clients 20, they're 2 lakhs, they pay 20,000 and they use those.
Are they allowed to advertise in their, bypassing the law? Are they allowed to advertise?
See, they are not allowed to advertise.
Then they are
but
not
they do
allowed.
it. But let me tell you, there is no law which says that they cannot advertise or they can advertise.
It's like
But for lawyers, there's categorically it's mentioned that you're not allowed to advertise.
what else is there? Advertise, credit card, loan और क्या है?